Some adverse effects of climate changes change agricultural production. Some lands are just merely unsuitable for growing crops. There will be millions of people facing hunger in Africa in the near future. Climate change will result in less production and less food. It is difficult for developing countries to deal with climate change due to their financial status and other issues. There are many people living in hunger, especially in Africa. The climate change has devastating effects on world economy. The tropical areas on Earth are dry and hot, and are originally not suitable for food production. The change of climate leads to extreme weather conditions such as floods and hurricanes, which exacerbates the food production issues. As a result, it leads to a continuous decline in food supply annually, around 10 to 17%. And this trend is perceived to be continuing in the future. By 2017, the regions suffering the most will be some African countries.